Hi guys, welcome back here. We are here on the master bedroom at andito tayo sa island cabinet natin. Look at this. Ito yung ating jewelry cabinet. Pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng kahit ano dyan. Pwedeng watch this section. You can put this section watch or your mamahaling relo. Or on the second row is pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng mga kurbata, necktie, and also meron siyang pangatlo. Ayan, pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng kung anong gusto nyong ilagay dyan. And pagdating dito sa baba, guys, meron tayong secret code dyan. Ayan. Lalagyan nyo siya ng password para ma-open nyo siya. Ayan, guys, dito nyo pwedeng ilagay yung mga valuable things nyo like yung pwede kayo magtago ng pera or jewelry or anything that very important to you. And that's the thing na meron na siyang parang bolt na nakalagay. So, ayun, lagyan siya ng password so walang ibang makakapagbukas niyan. And to show you everything here, ito yung ating closet cabinet kasama nitong whole package na to. Ayan, sa 20 square meter mo na ipapa-customize sa amin at ipapagawa, you can get it for 480,000 peso. Why not book now? What are you waiting for? Hurry up! Come on, let's call us. Call Dream Home and we will assist you happily. Thank you. Bye-bye.